move on to the fun part. Let's start using this thing.
Let me show you how can you build your first simple project. When we started Java, we started with Hello World program, right? So in this Claude CLI or AI World, you will not print only system.println. So you will build an application altogether to learn. So now I am going to create a to-do project. I'll create a folder.
So it's an empty folder you created.
It's an empty folder. So how do you start working with Claude? Okay, go to that particular project and do Claude. So now you are entering into Claude CLI mode.
Okay.
Okay, now what is Claude CLI, which we explained? So when you do Claude, it will ask permission. It will not do anything on its own. It is asking many permission it will ask. Now first permission is asking, can I read, write and execute in this folder? That is a basic permission. Once you give permission, then it is authorized to do any activity in that folder. Okay, later on when it writes a file, it will ask, etc. So now after authentication, it is saying, okay, I'm using, okay, this I think name I can change. I'm using Sonnet 4.5, Claude Sonnet 4.5 model and API usage-based building because we selected that option while authenticating. And I'm working on this particular project. Okay, any activity it will show. And now let's start with the project. Okay, now you went into the directory and did a Claude. So I'll copy paste this command, whichever this is prompt. Okay.
Okay, so what does this do?
What I'm asking Claude to build a simple project to-do list API using express.js. It should have endpoints to create, read, update. Basically, I'm asking to build an API. So I'm not printing system.println. So I'm creating an API endpoint for to-do list. Okay. So now it is asking further permissions. So it is asking npm init, etc. So I said yes. So initializing an npm project, installing the express.js because we asked that to implement in express.js. Okay, then it is asking additional permission. So either you can give every time approve or you approve permission for the overall session. Gradually, when you trust, you can give complete control. Until then, you approve each individual command.
Yeah, kind of supervision.
Correct. So it will start creating one by one. First thing it created is the package.json because in npm all that dependencies you need to put it in package.json. Once you do npm install, it will install all the packages using npm node package manager.
This is amazing. This is finishing stuffs within minutes and seconds.
Yeah. So, and it does not do procrastination. A new beginner will ask, okay, I don't know Node, I don't know npm, I don't know TypeScript, I don't know JavaScript, I know only React, Angular, I don't know React. LLM knows many things. So okay, now say I've been giving approval. Let me give full approval. Okay. If you see 1, 2, 3 option, yes is only for this approval.
Yeah.
Okay. Second, yes, allow all edits during this session. Okay. And if you want to change control, you don't do this, you do something, then you need to go for third. Then you need to either you can escape or select third. So right now I'm going to approve. So I'm moving it by moving the arrow up and down arrow keys and selecting second and giving approval for this session. So which means it will proceed is planned. So right now it's creating a server. Then next it will create a post endpoint for create. So it will have to-do list and it will start doing one by one.
So we are creating an application within minutes.
Yeah, within minutes.
This changes the ways of working forward, right?
Correct. So and it will keep telling you if it has any doubt, it will ask you. So there is a interactive mode Claude CLI they added a few weeks back. So if it needs to take any decision, it will ask you by giving the option 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Yeah,
But
so
if
application is done now. So what it done, it will summarize. Okay, now it did the API structure and then API endpoints. It added get all to-dos and creating a new to-do, updating a to-do, deleting a to-do, right? So now it's summarized and it is saying to start, you need to do npm start. Yeah, now it is running on 3000 port. So let me create an API, create a to-do. No, something wrong, right? Is it 3000? Okay, so now we got an error. Okay, now it is okay. So let's not worry too much. So what I'll do, I'll copy this and then say when I run the server and call command to create a to-do, I see this error in console log, in the log, in console. Please check and fix.
wow, it's like speaking to ChatGPT.
Correct. So you don't need to go to multiple places. Your code will be updated in your project directory. And if you give a command to that to build a test, it will do by itself. It will compile, build, and check, and then fix it automatically.
Oh, that's amazing. It's debugging the code?
No, it is analyzing. So it analyzes the intent and then identify the problem. And then it is saying it is not the problem with the code, it is a problem with the call command. Or both are not in sync. So it is trying to do something. Let us see.
Yeah.
So now it understood, okay, there is a standing problem. So it is updating a README file also. It is given this command. Okay, so maybe that command was good for Unix, I think so. So it understood, okay, somebody is testing with Windows, I think it created a tool. Okay, so now let us see what is the README file it created. Normally developers will not create a documentation. So it created to do what is this application is about, how to install, how to start, and then how to test. Okay, now this is what we did. Okay, to get all to do's, what is the command to summarize? So it created a package.json and created the application, and it created a test API test also.
So we built a working API under 2 minutes.
Correct. Let's do some unit testing also. It is saying I already developed a test script. So that is available here, you run it. Okay, so now let me clear this one. So wait.
You don't need a separate debugger to come and check our code or a separate tester to come and check the code when something goes wrong, no? So it does everything like a full
It is
stack.
all-rounder. It's like Sachin Tendulkar. Yeah.
Really?
So it's a manually we tested only one, right? It created a script to test the creation of to-do, getting all the to-do and getting to-do with a particular ID, getting updating a to-do, everything. So if you want to update further, so you open the test script and then you change it to whatever asset condition you want to do, etc., etc. So it generated a code, it generated unit testing 100% by itself.
Amazing. Lot of productivity improvements that we can bring onto the table. Even if it is a senior developer who is building it, I can minimum 30 minutes of his time will be saved. Right?
Yeah.
So what we currently did is we created a completely new project from scratch to check how this Claude CLI works.